Welcome. Today, we're tackling a classic statistics problem. We're given some expected values and need to find the variance. Let's break it down, step by step. First, let's open our toolbox of formulas. The key to finding variance is this powerful equation. The variance of x equals the expected value of x squared minus the square of the expected value of x. We already know ex is 3. So our main goal now is to find the value of ex squared. Where can we find it? The secret to finding ex squared is hidden in the other piece of information we were given. x1 equals 10. Let's expand the expression inside the expectation. X times x1 becomes x squared minus x. Because expectation is linear, we can split this into ex squared minus ex, and since we know ex is 3, we can substitute it right in. Now we have a simple equation. To solve for ex squared, we just add 3 to both sides. This gives us ex squared equals 13. We found our missing piece. Now, let's plug everything back into our main variance formula. Variance of x equals 13 minus 3 squared. That's 13 minus 9, which gives us our final answer, 4. And there you have it. The variance of x is 4.